a chance of thunderstorms Monday afternoon through Tuesday night. Tornado Watch number 98, effective until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday, or 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Clay, Fountain, Montgomery, Owen, Park, Putnam, Vermilion, and Vigo, and the following counties in Illinois: Clark and Edgar. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The Toronto Climate Summary is of 7 p.m., March 31st, 2020.